subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei is all set to launch the upgraded P Smart 2020 edition, but before the official launch, the upcoming phone has listed on Dutch e-commerce site that shows the design of the smartphone along with some key specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei P Smart 2020 will support a 6.21-inch Full HD Plus display with a water drop notch that will house 8-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, there will be vertically aligned dual camera setup in a squarish module including LED flash. The dual ray cameras will include a 13-megapixel main camera along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor. The rear panel of the phone also features an centrally aligned fingerprint sensor for authentication. Under the hood, the phone is expected to come powered by Kirin 710F chipset, which will allow the device to come with Google Mobile services. The handset will pack with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that can also expand it through microSD card slot. On the software front, the Huawei P Smart 2020 will run on Android 9 Pie based on EMUI 9.1 skin on the top, and it will come backed by 3400 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone will include 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. Now, talking about the pricing. The Huawei P Smart 2020 is set to price around €200 in the European market, and it will come in black, green, and Aurora blue color options. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Huawei P Smart 2020 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.